यू ऑल इन प्लांट साइंस वर्ल्ड। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे MGKVP MSc फोर्थ सेमेस्टर बॉटनी का। मतलब ये जो फाइनल सेमेस्टर के बच्चे हैं इनका NEP का पहली बार MCQ क्वेश्चन पेपर हुआ है जो कि कल हुआ था। बॉटनी का पेपर 1 विच इज़ सेल बायोलॉजी, उसके आंसर की हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। ये सी सीरीज़ का क्वेश्चन पेपर है और इसके आंसर्स मैं अपनी तरफ से बता रही हूँ, लेकिन क्रॉस चेक आप भी करिएगा। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which receptor opened during the calcium induced calcium release? The option is first one, ryanodine receptors. Which of the following is a calcium binding protein? Second one, colmodulin. What of the following are intracellular second messenger? The first one, acetylcholine. The smallest microtubular motor proteins are, fourth one, kinesin. How many protofilaments are present in a single microtubule? Second one, 13. Who discovered plasmodesmata? First one, Strasburger. How many plasmodesmata are present in a cell? Third one, 1000. Which of the following transport involve translocation of the protein from cytosol to the nucleus? ठीक है, that is fourth one, gated transport. Next, microfilaments are mostly involved in which of the following process? देखिए इसमें आप ऑप्शन थर्ड लगा लीजिए, मोटाइल मूवमेंट के लिए भी होता है लेकिन ये स्टेबिलिटी के लिए भी होता है, और ऐसा नहीं है माइक्रोफिलामेंट डिग्रेडेशन के लिए भी होता है। मतलब तो इसमें एग्जैक्टली क्या वो लेते हैं, मोटाइल तो है, राइट। नेक्स्ट, टोनोप्लास्ट इज अ, थर्ड वन, ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन. Importin is also described as, first one, caryophorin. What is the primary function of the central vacuole in plant cells? That is fourth one, storage of water and mineral nutrients. The central vacuole maintains turgor pressure in plant cell. What is the significance of turgor pressure? Fourth one, it provides mechanical support to the plant. Which of the following is not involved in translocation of protons in mitochondria? That is second one, complex 2. Which of the following mitochondrial complexes makes use of Q cycle in the translocation of protons? That is third one, complex third. After removal of the outer membrane of a mitochondrion, the structure that is leaflet is called, fourth one, mitoplast. Which of the following phases of cell cycle is shortest in duration? First one, G1. Which of the following is described as the engine of cell cycle? Third one, CDK cyclin complex. 19. The association and dissociation of ribosomal subunits depend on, fourth one, Mg2+. A portion of cytoplasm which stains with basic dyes is called, second one, endoplasm. Which of the following cell organelle is responsible for release, uptake and storage of calcium? First one, endoplasmic reticulum. Fatty acids can be transported into and out of cell membrane by, second one, facilitated diffusion. Active uptake of glucose is inhibited by, second one, fluorescein. Which organelles is involved in apoptosis? Fourth one, apoptosis. Which organelle is involved in apoptosis? 1 minute. एक मिनट, एक बार इसको चेक कर लूँ मैं। लाइसोसोम नहीं, ठीक है। फोर्थ वन, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। माइक्रोफिलामेंट्स आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ अ प्रोटीन कॉल्ड, सेकेंड वन, एक्टिन। ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स आर लोकेटेड एट, ये तो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन का स्ट्रक्चर अगर कई बार कायदे से बना के डिटेल याद करिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। तो सेकेंड वन है द आउटर लीफलेट ऑफ द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन। Properties of the integral protein can be studied by atomic force microscopy, cryosectioning, freeze fracture. Fourth one, all of the above. The fluidity of plasma membrane increases with, first one, increase in unsaturated fatty acids in the membrane. A cell without a cell wall is termed as, third one, protoplast. The resting potential membrane is determined by, first one, potassium ion gradient. The oxygen and CO2 crosses the plasma membrane by the process of, second one, passive diffusion. Lysosomes are known as suicidal bag because of, fourth one, hydrolytic activity. The function of centrosome is, first one, formation of spindle fibers. Distribution of intrinsic proteins in the plasma membrane is, third one, asymmetrical. Phosphatidylserine residues in the plasma membrane are located as, first one, inner leaflet of the plasma membrane. Question number 36. The cell is not applied for virus. Which of the following is used by cells to interact with other cells? Second one, cell junctions. Which of the following cell organelle is responsible for transporting, modifying and packaging of proteins and lipids? That is fourth one, Golgi complex. In which of the following type of cells sarcoplasmic reticulum is found? That is first one, muscle cells. Who is the father of cell biology? Robert Hooke, डिस्कवरी जिन्होंने की थी सेल की। RNA is present in which of the following cell organelles? That is fourth one, ribosome. Which of the following polysaccharide is not present in the eukaryotic plant cell wall? That is third one, chitin. Which of the following is not a component of cell membranes? That is fourth one, phosphatidylglycerides. The process by which extracellular messages translate into intracellular changes is termed as, third one, signal transduction. Protein kinases and phosphatases act by altering which of the following changes in signaling proteins? That is fourth one, conformation. Which checkpoint is essential for preventing uncontrolled cell division and cancer development? That is first one, G1 checkpoints. Which phase of the cell cycle is the longest in most cell? That is third one, G1 phase. What is the main function of the S checkpoint in the cell cycle? That is second one, to check for DNA damage. Which checkpoint ensures that the cell's DNA has been accurately replicated during the S phase? That is third one, G2 checkpoint. Which protein kinase is a key regulator of the G1 checkpoint in the cell? G1, cyclin G1, DEAB. G1 का D, S का E और A, G2 का B, yes, D. Cyclin D, that is fourth one, G1 का. What is the role of P53 in the cell cycle checkpoint system? That is fourth one, halting the cell cycle in response to the DNA damage. What happens in a cell? Fail the G2 checkpoints. That is fourth one. The cell proceeds to mitosis. During meiosis, crossing over between two non-sister chromatids occur at Pachytene stage. A plant cell has a diploid number of 8 chromosomes. During meiosis, how many chromatids are present in metaphase of second meiotic stage? That is 16. Which of the following statement about cell cycle is false? First one, preparation of mitosis takes place in G2 phase. G1 में होता है. In M phase, the cell grows physically larger and copied organelles. False पूछा है. ओके हाँ पहला सही है. एस फेज में रेप्लिकेशन भी होता है. सेकेंड इन एम फेज ये गलत है आपका. क्रोमेटिड coiling in meiotic and mitotic division is, ये है ectonomic in mitosis and paranymic in meiosis. ठीक है. Plectonomic in mitosis and paranymic in meiosis. Where there is increase in condensation of chromatin during the process of cell division, first one, heterochromatin increases. Which of the following induces conformational changes in protein? So that is facilitated diffusion. Why is the sodium potassium pump important? Second one, it prevents the inside of the cell from having too many sodium ions. The inner mitochondrial membrane has cytochrome oxidase complex, BC1 complex, NADH4, all of the above. Inner membrane of mitochondria is rich in which phospholipid? That is third one, cardiolipin. Mitochondrial DNA is simple double-stranded circular DNA molecule. Okay. What is microsome? That is small endoplasmic reticulum compartments. Name of the site where detoxification of xenobiotic compounds takes place. SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following coated vesicles transport protein from ER to Golgi? COP second. ये क्लैथरिन coated vesicles और ये सारी चीजें इसमें. Name of the signals which help protein to move in or out of the nucleus. That is fourth one, nuclear localization signal. The membrane of the thylakoid contain photosystem which harvest solar energy to excite electrons which travel down the electron transport chain. That is third one, both photosystem first and second. The carbohydrates are transported across the outer membrane of chloroplast by a second, triose phosphate translocator. 3 sodium ions pumped out of and 2 potassium in, then the number of ATP molecule hydrolyzed. Third one, 3 ATP. Where do we obtain the magnified image of the specimen in SEM? That is fourth one, cathode ray tube. Which of the following helps us in getting a three-dimensional picture of the specimen? That is second one, SEM, scanning electron microscope. During TEM, transmission electron, a vacuum is created inside the third one, column. The image formation in electron microscope is based on fourth one, differential scattering. Who invented the phase contrast microscope? First one, Fritz Zernick. Phase contrast microscopy is particularly valuable for studying third one, transparent cells and tissues. तो ये कल के पेपर के टोटल 75 क्वेश्चन हैं। पेपर इज गुड, पेपर अच्छा है। पीजी लेवल पे जो नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं उनके लिए पेपर कठिन है, और जो पढ़ रहे हैं या जो CSIR वगैरह की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं उनके लिए पेपर बहुत अच्छा है। ठीक है, सो बिना पढ़े कुछ नहीं होना है। आप पीजी कर रहे हैं, इसका मान रखते हुए आप यहाँ से पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट हो जाएंगे, और आप भी फिर कहीं पढ़ाएंगे या जो भी करेंगे ये आपके ऊपर है, हर कोई पढ़ाता नहीं है। सो ये टोटल मेरे हिसाब से आंसर्स थे। आपने जो भी आंसर्स लगाए होंगे प्लीज़ चेक इट आउट। अगर आपको लगता है कि कुछ क्वेश्चंस में डाउट है देन यू कैन कमेंट मी। फिर भी मैंने अपनी तरफ से कोशिश की है कि मैक्सिमम प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चंस के मैं आपको सही सही आंसर्स प्रोवाइड करूँ। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। Thank you so much. Good luck for your next paper, which is on 23. That is molecular biology. Good luck, everyone. Thank you all.